In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chase Bank statements to QuickBooks Online quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Chase website and log in to your Chase Online banking account. Make sure you have all your login details handy for this step. Once you're logged in, you'll be inside your account dashboard. Take a moment here to select the specific bank account you wish to download transactions for. This is crucial because selecting the right account ensures you get the correct data into QuickBooks. Next, you need to search for an option that says Download Account Activity or something similar. This option allows you to extract the financial data you need in an appropriate format. Speaking of formats, it's important to choose the QBO file type. This is the QuickBooks Web Connect format, and it's perfectly suited for importing into QuickBooks Online without any hassle. When you reach the step where you select the date range for your transactions, be mindful not to include today's date. Including incomplete transactions might misrepresent your data in QuickBooks, so always ensure all transactions are settled before downloading. With those preferences set, it's time to hit the download button. Your QBO file will typically end up in your computer's downloads folder or on your desktop, depending on your browser settings. It's always a good idea to keep track of where your downloads save for quick access later on. Now let's switch gears and move over to QuickBooks Online. Once there, you'll look to the left side of your screen and click on the Accounting tab. This is where all your financial magic happens. Following that, click on Bank Transactions, which will guide you to the section where you can manually upload your newly downloaded file. Before you upload, just ensure the QBO file size is under 350 kilobytes. This is essential to prevent any upload errors that might disrupt the process. From here, click on the option to upload transactions manually. Browse your files, select the QBO file you just downloaded from Chase, and begin the upload process. Once your file is uploaded, you'll need to select the corresponding bank account in QuickBooks. If an account hasn't been created yet, this is the moment to set one up. Ensuring the accounts match correctly helps avoid confusion during reconciliation. Finally, continue with the upload and start reviewing your transactions. Once they're loaded, QuickBooks offers the functionality to categorize, add, or even match these transactions, making your reconciliation work much smoother. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and imported your transactions from Chase to QuickBooks Online. Thanks for following along, and I hope this process is now clear and manageable for future use.